So this is gonna be an example Rubik's Cube solved for Roma. So now we solve the cross. So we see that this edge with green and white, so it attacked to the green center, so we move it down, and then we have a first cross piece. This is white and blue, so we will move it down to form our second cross edge. We see this. Now we cannot move it down from here, so we move it away, push this down, and then put it there, and you fix this cross piece. Then this is trapped, so you push it up and you put it over there, fix this, and then you put it down. So that is how we build a cross. Now we are going to solve the first layer. This white corner has blue and red on it, so we put it between these two centers, and we are going to do the righty algorithm. So right side up, so we put this to the right side up, upper side to the left, right side down, upper side to the right. Then we find this corner. It has orange and green in it, so we move it between these two centers. We do the same moves. Now because this this corner, so orange and blue is facing the front, we put it to the left, and then we do this one. Left side up, upper side to the right. Left side down, upper side to the left. Okay. And then we have this final center corner, so we know this is gonna be here. So we do the righty moves again. So we're gonna be doing the righty move until it is solved. So yes, like that. And now we have the first layer completed, so make sure the side color do matches. And now we are going to solve the second layer. Now we are going to find an edge on top of the cube without yellow. So this is not allowed, this is not allowed, but this is allowed because it doesn't have yellow in it. So this is red and green, so the green center is here, so we push this one move away, and then the righty move, so right side up, upper side to the left, right side down, upper side to the left, to the right. Then we rotate to the green center, and then we do the left hand version, so left side up, upside to the right, left side down, upper side to the left. And we see that our edge is solved here. Now we move on to another edge, so this one, and now we attach it to the right center, so we push it one move away from where it's supposed to go, because, and then this time, because it's supposed to go to the left, we do the lefty move first. So left side up, upper side to the right, left side down, upper side to the right. Then we rotate to the green center, and we do the right version, up, left, down, right. Okay, we move on to the next edge. So we are going to do this one. So it has blue and red, so the red is here, so we push it one move away. It goes to the right, so we do the righty move, up, left, down, right. Then we rotate to the rectangle and we do the left version, and now this edge is soft. Now, uh-oh, this edge is sharp. Now what we do is we do the right move and then we rotate to the right, and then we do the lefty move, and now this edge is out, so we solve it like normal. Push it one move away from where it needs to go. Righty move, rotate, lefty move. Now we solve the second layer. Now I'm just gonna make this case for obvious reason. I'm just gonna assume this is the case you get. So you get a dot case, so all of these doesn't matter. All the corners doesn't matter if it's just this and no edges are yellow. Well, all edges doesn't have yellow facing up. Then you do front, this, then righty moves, then you reverse, then you fix the rest like this, and now you have this shape. It doesn't matter how the corners are oriented. If you have this kind of shape where two edges are on and they look like this, then you put it to the top and you do the same moves again. Front face, righty moves, then you just do that, and then make sure if you get the line, then you make it horizontal so it looks like this. And this is not allowed, and then you do the moves again. Now you will have a cross, and now you will solve the corners. So now you flip over the cube, so white is at the top, and now you do the righty move, and now you do the righty moves over and over again. So once not there, twice not there, three times not there, but four times it got there. And now what you do is you do not rotate, rather you move this layer. So this is how you're supposed to do it. So now this corner is also unsolved. You do the same thing all over again, and now it only took two times, and now we rotate back. Now we are going to solve the rest of the cube, so I'm gonna do this, and now you are going to learn an actual algorithm. So this will go like this. Now if there is no there, now you first solve the corners. So if the corners aren't solved, then you do this step. If all the corners are solved, so it looks something like this, where all the corners are solved but the edges aren't, and you are skip this step, and now you solve the corners. So now you find a headlight, so it has two matching corners, so it looks like this. But also remember that something like this is also a headlight. Right now you put that to the left of your cube. You are going to do this algorithm. The right side move, so like that, up, left, down, right, and then you are going to do this down the front face. I am actually just going to link down a video of this move by move. I'm just going to link a video where I do this move by move so you can follow along. But now you are going to solve all of the edges. So if the edges are solved, then you skip this test. But now you solve all the edges. So you are going to do another algorithm. Right side up. Again, I am going to link to a video where I do this move by move. But now the it is solved.